welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Government clears file to take over Chowgule Higher Secondary, but Education Department yet unclear about legality of the takeover. Parents protest in the college on Tuesday. Grants to the dissertation schools who converted to English medium to continue this year too. Formation of committee to review MOI policy delayed by 15 days. The bookies had practically created a mini telephone exchange, hired more than one apartment. The register seized by police to expose many. Prudent gets to exclusive details of Srisan's Goa stay. Sources reveal how he boozed, misbehaved and partied with even naked girls. And Mines Department asked all mining lease holders to complete digital global positioning survey by 15 June. Cost of the survey to be borne by the respective mining lease holder. Now the news in detail. More than 500 parents and students carried out the Chowgule College staff on Tuesday under the leadership of Damu Naik for not starting admissions of 11th standard. Government has given go-ahead to the takeover of the high secondary. Damu says admissions are expected to start by Friday. However, Education Department is studying legal provisions before proceeding ahead. Sources say the department will have to serve a notice to Chowgule Education Society and seek their reply before moving ahead, which means admissions may not start during this week.
चौगुले को फेंक दो! एक दो! चौगुले को फेंक दो!
व्यवस्थित आणि स्विमिंग पूल 4 घाल कोणते पण चीफ मिनिस्टराकडेन आमची आता उलोवणी जाली आसा आणि ज्या उतराचे खरे ते आमच्या गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या तर्फे मनोहर पर्रीकारान जे काल उतर दिले त्या उतरा प्रमाणे आज ऑलरेडी कॉलेजीच्या टेक ओवराचे प्रक्रियेचो नोट ऑलरेडी मूव जाल्लो आसा. शुक्रार पर्यंत डेट दिल्ली आसा. शुक्रार शेनवार पर्यंत एडमिशन स्टार्ट जातली. तशें कॉलेजीस स्टार्ट जातात 6-7 तारखेक पळय म्हणटात न्ही तसो एक दीस वयर सकयल फरक काय पडचो ना. तर तशें ऑनलायन
Education Department has started its procedure to take over Chowgule College. Legal provisions are being studied. However, Additional Director of Education Anil Pawar is not very confident whether the procedure of taking over Chowgule Higher Secondary would complete by Friday. Prudent also contacted some of the experts. Senior High Court advocate says, government is fooling people. It is nothing but politics.
सरकाराक कितें टेक ओवर करपा जाल्यार सरकार विल हॅव टू टेक ओवर द एज्युकेशन सोसायटी टेक ओवर करपाक शकता काय ना. इट विल डिपेंड ऑन वेदर सोसायटी हॅज वायलेटेड एनी रुल्स अंडर एज्युकेशन एक्ट or under societies registration act. There has been misappropriation of funds. I mean, whatever it is, there has to be some violation. I don't think that takeover is possible. The only option open, I think, is a dialogue with the management, which the government should have done maybe 3 months back or 4 months back, and through a dialogue come out with a solution. There cannot be a legal solution to this.
One case regarding closure of Chowgule Higher Secondary is pending before the High Court. The final hearing is expected on 18 June. Now, the government's move to take over the college can further complicate the legal dispute. With Samir Bhatt from Madgaon, Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Grants for 139 English medium primary schools of Dissertation Society will continue this year too. Sources from Education Department and Chief Minister himself has confirmed this to us. Chief Minister blamed the erstwhile government for converting MOI issue into a fiasco. Parrikar justified that grants for dissertation are continued considering welfare of the students. Chief Minister had assured in the Assembly that he will constitute a committee for review of grant policy and MOI issue by 31st May. CM now says it will be delayed by another 15 days.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had earlier assured the House to constitute a committee for reviving medium of instruction and grants policy by 31st May. Prudent asked the CM about the status of the committee forming process. CM said that it will take another 15 days as there was shortage of staff during May. He also confirmed that grants for diocesan schools who converted to English will continue this year also. Additional Director of Education Department Anil Powar has also reiterated what CM has said.
No decision has been taken. No, there is no decision.
Then this
They are getting the grant, this much we know that.
They said they will get, no, sir.
Yes, it is a continuous process, na?
Okay.
They will get, we are not to this.
Mahesh Ghadi with Omkar Farari and senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Bookies had literally created a mini telephone exchange in their rooms at Kandoli. They had created a mega network with 46 mobile phones and laptops. This doesn't end here. Bookies had hired more than one apartment. The register seized by the police from the bookies contains name of all their clients with the amount of money they used to bet. This register can put many into trouble.
Interrogation of bookies arrested by Goa police have revealed some startling facts. This is the first occasion Goa police are handling a cricket spot fixing case. The info that is out after grilling the bookies is amusing. At present, Prudent has learned that bookies had adopted latest technology and had literally created a mini telephone exchange in their room. A register was maintained to record each and every incoming call. A register had many names from all over India. Every name has a phone number and amount of fixing written beside it. Registered vital for carrying out money transactions. It was a Herculean task for police to nab these bookies, considering the ways and methods adopted by them for operating, betting and fixing business. Thanks to a local who was vigilantly keeping an eye on the movement of these non-Goans residing in the apartment at Kandori for 45 days. The tip-off by this local was very helpful for police to nab the bookies. This is how the bookies were functioning. Hiring apartment in a fake name, making a group of 5 to 6 people, hiring 3 to 4 apartments at a time at different places, common group but working from different places, purchasing SIM cards of different companies, changing SIM cards after every tournament. Bookies were shrewd enough in planning some outstanding strategies for executing their plan of spot fixing business. With the timely alertness of local help police to nab the 6 bookies operating in fake names with multiple SIMs and different locations. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.